Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode in your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change Gmail into dark mode, you just simply have to open your Gmail in any browser. I have this shortcut on my desktop, so I'll open that from here. After opening your Gmail, you just simply have to click on this setting icon. From there, you will get this Themes option. Click to view all. Now, you just simply have to scroll a bit, and you will get this dark theme here. Simply click on that dark theme, and your Gmail will turn into dark. Click on the Save button in order to save this theme into your Gmail. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your Gmail theme into dark. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And also consider subscribing to the channel to never miss another helpful content from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.